Okay, today, February 17, is the birthday of my idol. No, happy 63rd o 63rd birthday. 63 years old na ang aking idol na si Michael Jordan. So, to his earnest, uh, Air Jordan, from your avid fan in the Philippines, happy birthday. I wish you good life, good health, and just enjoy whatever you're doing, and you inspired many people, many boys, including myself, to play basketball. Despite my disabilities, I want to play basketball. I wanted to be like you, to be honest. I wish I got your height and I got your body so I could play much longer. So, anyways, happy birthday. God bless you, and more birthdays to come.